Hello, audience. Sorry about the loud music. We're having a huge party, and I don't really like it, but I really want to make a video. So, just try your best to ignore the music. Just try. Put up your volume really high. Make sure you put it on speaker. Make sure you do anything that's loud. Because you're going to be hearing just dance, just sing, just constantly switching. And I don't want to ask them to stop the music. Because, I mean, they're having fun. And I'm going to have fun. Okay, so today we won't try to fill up the journey book. Unless we just see something that we can fill up with. But we're not going to be, trying to right now. I just want to... This is good. I really don't know, actually. Maybe we could, just play games for gems and go to the store and buy some stuff. That could be kind of fun, you know? So let's go play some games. And sorry if it takes a while to load, too, because I just got in, and sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, go. Yeah, see, look, you're just hearing this. Constantly. But anyway. There we go. Is it loading in? Yeah, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. It's just taking a while. And sorry about the music, too. A game that I haven't played yet. Sky High has gems 2 times. Sorry about that, guys. I'm really sorry. I can't stop it. Anyway, I might be yelling. So, should we do Sky High? I kind of want to do Overflow, though. You know what? I'm going to do Sky High after play. You know what? Should I go ask them later? I'm going to ask them later. Because today this is my 5th video I'm making today. And, oh, I know what this is. Oh, I love computer version. I used to play a lot on iOS. This is easy. I should have put it on hard. So, if you hear the music, I'm still talking about the music because it's kind of bugging me too. But if it's giving you a headache, just get out of this video if you want to. I don't really mind. I actually really don't mind. Because if I would just stop making this video. But I'm not, because I want to make a video badly. So, yeah, I'm just going to not do that. So, let's do this, that. Start. Hey, this is easy, man. This is easy. Okay, I closed my door and everything. Nothing really is doing anything, you know. But, yeah. Here, start water. But nothing was really happening when I closed the door. I closed the door right there now. Yeah, it's just the ground that's shaking. Feels like an earthquake, but just not power like an earthquake. But anyway, how do I do this? Start over here, because sometimes I just think we start down here. Really, that's easy. Of course it's not easy. What am I thinking? But you know, for some reason we're having a party, which I don't understand why, because New Year's just passed. Guess this is just a fun party, like a house party, I guess. My sister has a friend over, and, oh, turn. Sorry, guys. There. Yeah, we have friends over. I'm a big family. Okay, so we're getting some gems up in here. I'm not going to spend them yet, because I only got 136. So, yeah. I'm going to switch to difficulty, probably. This is kind of easy. Here, yes, please. Or I might as well play another game. I might as well just play Sky High. Just to see how it feels like. There we go. Sky High, play. Oh, is this it? Okay, so you bounce. Oh my. Okay, it's easy. So you basically got to get to the top and get the gems. So you get twice as more gems than you usually do, which is really cool. Okay. Man, this is actually really easy. Phantoms. And I want to try this other one. Nope, stop, nope. I was messing up the buttons there. I'm not used to using the arrows at all. I barely even use them in Roblox, which I don't do videos of anymore, sorry. If you really liked it. No, don't hit that phantom. Ow, I hit the phantom. You have earned 44. Try again. No thanks. So, okay. Anyway, see how much gems you got. You only have 248. Trust me, we'll get more. Okay. We're gonna play Falling Phantoms, my favorite game in this game. Oh my, should I go ask them to put down the volume? Okay, this is gonna be easy since I'm really good at it. Okay. Here you're just gonna move away from them and collect the gems while you're doing it. There's like gems that fall from the corner. You guys know this. If you're a big fan of Animal Jam anyway. Watch Apari. It's a pretty good YouTube channel of this. Probably you guys know about him if you're watching me doing Animal Jam. Hey, see, look, coins over here. Well, gems. Here. Take it. Oh, no, I don't like the big ones. They get so much people at the same time. Take a run for it. Oh! It goes crazy. I'm ready. And I might be doing a Pokemon Sun video of me just capturing all the Pokemon since I already beat the game. Okay. Oh, jeez. Almost got hit there. Oh, wow, there's another person. These guys are noobs. Noobs. Joking. Why they just don't know. Like, maybe I'll do a customizing video. I might actually do one just because I kind of want to make a creative one. That will be probably next time in the other one. Soupy Eagle. Never tried that yet. Twister. Never tried that. Splash and Dash. I'm going to try Soupy Eagle. Okay, got it. Flap. Oh, it's like Flappy Bird. This is how horrible I was at Flappy Bird 2. Lol. Flappy Bird is gone. Come on. I was bad like this in Flappy Bird. Maybe I should try the other one. Yeah, maybe this will be easier. I like Spacebar. I didn't even get past the first one. Okay. Darn it. I'm gonna keep trying until I get better, you know? Come on! It's so hard. It just reminds me of the real Flappy Bird, even though that's gone. The real Flappy Bird is gone. You know, it just kind of sucks. I forgot why. I'd rather not know anymore. Anyway, darn it! I was doing so good. Keep doing it. Darn it! No! You know, I'm gone here. I'll practice off screen. I'll get better at it. Now, let's see. Ooh, I love Phantom Fighters. Well, I don't know what that is, but I think fighting is fun. Ooh, I'm gonna start with easy. Fire, move, got it. Oh, wait, what? Oh, my. Does this give you gems? Maybe it's just for fun. I don't know. Don't just you guys just tell me. I'm gonna get some of these. Shoot out lightning. Show. Fighting. Okay. Why do I have a shield and I can't fire? There we go. Go, go, go. This is easy. This is easy. This is easy. Come on. Ah! Watch out. They're dropping down. Pretty good at this. Watch out! What? Maybe because this is... Darn it. Easy. Never mind. I'm not really good. No, what? Now I can shoot with the shield? Go, 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 go. Oh, watch out. Great job. 6 next level. Now I forgot what this map is. Probably it's not a map. Oh, what? That's a little bit weird. Oh, good. No. Okay. Oh, wait a second. What about the new map that somebody was talking about? There's not a new map. I want to check out the Deep Blue. Nah, I'll do that next episode. Guys and girls, of course, I hope you enjoyed this loud video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.